These are the prices of these glass. $9,000, $6,500 US dollars, 500, $8,000 US, 8,500, 9,900, 7,000, 9,000 is 8,000, 9,000, 6,500, 8,000, 7,000, 1,000, 6,500. So what kind of glass are they? Are they made of special glass?
They use these glass rods,
Mm-hmm.
and then they put it into the oven and they shape it. So that's what they do. They have a whole wall full of giant glass rods.
Okay. Wow, that's why it's so expensive, eh?
Yeah.
It's a good one. It's a good souvenir. So you have to pay tax on it above.
We take off the Washington tax if you're not in state,
Mm-hmm.
but there will be shipping costs.
Shipping costs. Okay. All right. And this is the expensive one. 14,000 US dollars. 4,425, 3,525, 3,700. All art collectors here, made of glass. Please come over here, Seattle, Washington, beside the Space Needle Tower. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.